But now it's around pre-market high, so it's leaning to the upside, at least for now.
All right, what's good, fellas? It's Thursday.
That's why
Excuse
Zengi
me.
a bit stronger.
Got a few levels charted out. Nothing too
Alright,
crazy, to be 100% honest with you.
I mean not stronger, but holding better.
Right.
What am I looking at? I think that we could continue to move higher, especially if we break above like this
Yes.
370, 380, and potential target of like 430. We have some of these orange levels are big levels. I'm watching potential bounce here, potential rejections up here. Those are just 8-hour points of control that have not been hit yet. Price has not touched these since we
I never
moved
sent
away
you the
from them.
picture of what I made yesterday.
So
I was waiting, man.
Yeah, here, let me find it.
that could be some potential juice.
10 seconds.
But yeah, nothing too crazy. I don't have like a super strong bias. I'm just we're just rocking with it.
Is Ryan muted for a reason, or is it?
He's fixing his stream real quick.
Yeah, no, I got it. We're back. Be back.
Nice.
Made some sourdough. Oh, it's beautiful, brother. Good job.
Hell yeah, thank you.
I like you got the little bread slicer. Do you freeze some of that? How do you keep it?
I don't. I made all of that for dinner yesterday.
Holy shit, buddy. Who you feeding?
Yeah. There was like a bunch of us. My dad wanted to make grilled cheeses for everybody, so I made that for family dinner.
Oh, dude, that's cool, man.
Yeah.
Very nice. How do you say it's called?
It's cold.
Sourdough is what it's called.
Oh.
It's I'll throw it in trade chat. It's this. The type of bread.
Thank you. If you gave me like 1,000 chains, I would never write it down like that.
Start selling Play-Doh.
Sure you can make this? Fully, did I ask you about? I saw you're using the volume profiles on your chart.
Dude, I don't know how to get them off of my chart. I
Okay. I saw them on there on your like trade recap, but they never mentioned it or like say anything. So I was like, I wonder if he's using it or what he's using it for.
No, not at all. Do you know how to get it off?
What's that on? Is that Thinker's one?
This Tradebait.
Uh, it's not under like the configure chart elements, like the little gear icon on your chart,
No.
like in the top
I
corner.
did have like an RSI there, but not that.
Um, hmm. How did you get it there in the first place?
I just logged on and it was there.
That's really weird because mine doesn't even look like that. Like when I do have volume profiles, it doesn't look like that. So I don't really.
Yeah, I don't know.
You can like drawing tools. Volume profile is under drawing tools, and you can like draw it over a specific area. Is there any way you can like click on it and delete it?
Oh shit, hold on. Ugh. No, dude, it's weird. It's like a part of the charts. You can't select it.
Yeah, I'm kind of stumped on that one.
Oh well. I don't even notice it.
Where los hermanos Gutierrez and we're gonna perform Low Side.
We rejected that pre-market high and trend line.
I know. I almost debated taking a short there, and I didn't, but it was nice.
I'm in short right now, but not the best entry.
What was it?
56.
Why are you chilling, man?
Let's cut some here though.
Wow.
I'll take that. A little bit there. Stop, break even. Or so. Hope for the best.
And there goes the best.
Let's see what it does here at like 300. If it doesn't just zoom past it, I'll probably just get out.
Are you thinking about like 280 or something?
Around like 290 is my support. Like right here.
Wow.
And it's just
Nice.
through it, so keep holding. Move my stop more. It's crazy how this thing moves. And Q. And freaking Q. Jesus.
Isn't it beautiful?
I mean, I have to defend SPY a bit. It dropped like 20 points from the highs.
Mm-hmm.
So
Just took it there.
Solid.
Get in short if
Very nice.
it's a decent pushback up.
very nice, man.
Yes, sir.
Jeez.
Yeah, man. 100 points in 2 minutes.
Holy shit! I said a pullback to 21,190 or so. I didn't think it would happen right off the bat. See if we get there. Pretty serious drop.
My next major support is around like 21,000.
This is crazy. Alright, I want to see what it does right here.
Oh, thanks.
Well, shit. I tried to get long and didn't fill me. And just popped right off that area. Dang.
Might try to reshort if it goes to like 250. Maybe. One thing I noticed, at least on the 15-minute candles, um, they very rarely close without a wick, if that makes sense. So like just now was straight up with no wick to the bottom. So I was thinking it's gonna go down from there because it rarely closes without a wick.
Hmm.
Something weird about the 15-minute candles.
Yeah, I'm just looking on the chart. There's not a lot. There's a couple that have pretty much like no wick, but that's also overnight. There's not much volume. See one yesterday at 10:30. The green candle moving up has like none, but
That's true.
not very common. My next support's at 0. I think we have really strong support at 0 if it gets there.
I wish.
I wish. I'm going long at 0. I have a tight stop loss, -1. The value of the entire U.S. stock market is negative. I feel like that's unlikely.
I used to trade penny stocks, and when it went below, well, it never goes below 0, obviously, but it goes to like the .00, like the sub penny stocks.
That was your thing? I can't go any lower. Surely this company has some value.
10,000. Yeah, you'd buy like 10,000 shares of like .001. It goes to .002, and you just like double, you know. Sketchy stuff.
Wow. And Q not even stopping on yesterday low.
What was that strategy again? Short at the open?
Yeah, it's been pretty good lately. Pretty good strat.
Amazing.
Got that swing lower on like, man, if my chart stops, like 21, yeah, 2980, 2990, somewhere in there.
I'll be back, boss.
Sounds good, sir.
Wow.
We have news in a couple minutes.
That'll be interesting. Feel like we're about to witness a big move.
I think we just did. $400 points.
Back to higher day.
What even is the news? Pending home sales, and then Michael Barr speaks. I don't know if it's on to a whole lot. We had one like green doji, the opening candle, and since it's just been red the entire way down. It's dropping.
Oh my god.
Start charting some sub-zero levels. That's below my, I just hit my last level I had charted to the downside. Like 940. Get out the crystals and astrology kits to try to find the next support.
spots yet.
This might be the one. Maybe not.
Moves like this make my exits feel really silly.
Yeah. Yeah. Take your winners though.
Ten seconds.
Hmm.
I don't know. I don't trust it. Anyone take it?
I took a short, but yeah.
What's your entry, man?
It was 225. I took a short, but I put my stop to break even once it moved down and just stopping off for break even. I wanted to see it reject harder than that, and once it started to move back up, I didn't want to risk it too much. Just things are moving so fast, I don't know. I didn't have a great area to place my stop.
Yeah.
And with how hard it dropped, yeah. That move up would have stopped me out anyways. I just want to see a quick rejection off a level at like 38. And it started to. But I didn't quite see what I wanted. Yeah, it was like 5 points from hitting my first take profit, and it started to reverse.
did it in reverse, Terry.
I certainly did. tried a long down there. Let's see. My entry's like 119. Kind of right where it's at. Oh my gosh. Just waked off my price target. Come on now. Yeah, stop me out. Damn, dude. There's like 2 points from taking my take profit. That happened to me yesterday as well. Not even, it was less than a point off, half a point. Damn, man. Just teased me.
that long on hold of yesterday low.
I also did. Yeah, I took profit. I have a runner. It's up quite a bit.
Oh my
80
God,
points.
it's already up like 65 points for me.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Damn, it got like a tick away from filling my take profit on my runner.
Very nice.
But man, price action is crazy. Moving like 10 points in a second.
Yeah.
Are you still holding some?
I have one. But I have a pretty aggressive trailing stop. I'm already up like 60 points, so I don't really want to give it back.
What was your entry?
50. Exactly right at 50. Yeah, just stopping out. I'll take it.
Very nice. $100 away from these 3 accounts.
Hell yeah.
I want to keep trading, but like,
Yeah, I think I'm done for the day for sure. That was my like 3 trades. 2 of them were just I entered and then it moved in my direction. I put my stop to break even, and this stopped me at break even.
If it goes any lower, I'll get stopped out. That's it for my runner.
Nice, man. Where was your entry, Yvonne?
Oh, my entry was around 65, so a bit
Very nice.
higher than yours, but yeah, I was waiting for some confirmation.
Yeah, I had a level right at 2140, and so it held that twice, and I entered after that.
For them. Feel a bit sorry for that runner.
Yeah, it just wicked you out.
Yeah.
poor little guy.
Poor little runner. Like you said, boys, I'm not taking anything else.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me close it up before I do something.
Although you can see
The 15 minute too. It looks like it kind of wants to hold here on the 15 and the 5. But yeah, this close of 5 minute will also be the 15-minute candle.
yeah, my rhythmic for Ninja Trader disconnect.
Disconnect. There you go.
Disconnect and I will close Ninja Trader totally, so I mean, it's a pretty good setup if you break this trend line, but it's almost like 40-point stop loss for me
Mm.
if I consider taking that, so I'm not taking it ever.
Make it 50.
Make it 50.
It's cardio. 50-point stop loss is essentially cardio.
I'll see you boys tomorrow.
Sounds good, my friend. Take it easy.
Good trades. Good trades.
Thank you. Yeah, you guys as well.
Later.
You guys sticking around a little bit? We all.
Yeah, I have one more trade idea, but if it breaks this high of like 140, then I'll be done.
Nice. All right.
I'll hang around, but I'm not taking anything. I don't even have charts open.
Word. Yeah, I'm done on the day. It is kind of coiling up. Looks like it wants to move higher to me, but
I'm gonna go to a skate park in Miami a little later with a friend.
nice.
Almost 50,000 square foot.
50,000 square feet? Dang, dude.
It's massive, yeah. I've never been to this park before.
Are you gonna bring your tech deck?
Really?
Dude, it'd be pretty sick if you're like skating and then also like crouching, ripping a tech deck. You know what I mean? Like double action.
I've seen people do that. They're like board sliding like a big ledge and they like crouch down and like do like a kickflip on the tech deck.
That's epic.
Or I could literally just not bring my skateboard, just go in the tech deck and get in everyone's way.
Just get everyone's way. Oh my goodness. You need to bring your own ramps and rails, like the little tiny ones for the tech decks. Like there wasn't really enough accommodation here. This 50,000 square feet.
Used to be some random guy just like in the pool, just like running around with his tech deck all crouched down.
You know how you can like run up a half pipe? You like run up and like stall your tech deck at the top and like slide back down. Okay, we need to ban this guy. Kick him out.
Sir, you can't be here without a helmet. Do tech decking with a helmet on.
That'd be pretty sick.
Like fully geared up. Knee pads, elbow pads, shin guards. Just tech decking.
It's no laughing matter. What are you watching, Fully?
79. 21079.
For a short, I'm guessing.
No, I want to enter there.
Long?
Yeah.
I got a level right at 187. What's the... I'm curious. Why long?
Why am I entering there?
Mm-hmm. Or like, what are you looking at?
15-second fair value gap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, on that micro time frame.
Yeah, we'll see. I don't usually try it, but it looks halfway decent.
This little consolidation it has. It's like a little like bullish pendant or something. Just waiting. Like it's gonna break any second.
I wanted to just wick down, take out all these lows, and then rally up.
Oh, you might get it.
I'm in it. Let's see if it runs my stop or goes the way I want it to.
What's your stop? Like 40?
62.
Gotcha.
Yeah, very small time frame levels.
I like that last 1 minute. I can hold.
Yeah, got me out. Alright, that'll do it for me today, boys.
Alright. Sorry to hear it, brother.
All good, man. It happens. Catch you guys
Certainly does. Yeah, take it easy, man. Have a good day.
tomorrow. Peace.
Later. See you.
Later.
Later. Alright. Little recap. I overtraded for sure. One of those was just a 2 contract. Just a little stab once we broke above and held this level. I'm not mad at that. I'm happy to take a try there with a small size. But some of the other trades that we took, tried a short here. It missed my take profit by literally half a point, not even a full point. If we look at where my entry was here. Where is my entry? What get it exact? At 25, yeah. So at 25, I sold. I guess we were off by. I guess there's a couple points. I thought it was more, or less. So that missed my stop or my first take profit by just a little bit. Once we got really close, I just moved my stop losses to break even because I thought we were actually going to hit it, and I was kind of anticipating it. And then it came up and stopped me out for break even. The reason why I was taking that is we had a point of control here on this bearish candle. We also had a level here. And then we had a bounce, but this bounce was looking weak. The previous candle looked weak, point of control looked weak. So I entered risking on above this level, and then like I said, once it came down, I moved my stop to break even, and it stopped me out at break even. My second trade, let's take a look at my second trade. My second trade was a losing trade. No, this was the one that missed me by a point. That's right. Yeah, that one was close. That was a few points off. This one missed me by literally like a point. I entered here, and you can see where my take profit was right at like, I don't even know, but you can see that wick right there. Look how close that is. So that was frustrating. And then it came down and stopped me out. The idea on this trade was the same one that I took with the two contracts here. It was the break and hold of this level, and then continuation upwards. I liked that because we didn't have a lot of volume in here, and we had kind of point controls up here higher around like 63, 200 up in there. So I figured if we could break above and hold, and then make a move back up into this range, that was the idea on that trade that I took a loss on. Once we started breaking down, I tried to short, and that trade would have worked out. I just moved my stop loss prematurely because I wanted to de-risk. But that trade would have worked out. I just got stopped out at break even because I moved my stop loss a little prematurely. Once again, it started moving my direction. I de-risked, and then it came up and stopped me out right before, I entered here, came up, stopped me out right before going down. My target was this level. But once we held that level, then I entered long, looking for a return back up to these highs. I got my first take profit at 30 points. My runner was set to these highs. It didn't quite get there. It got stopped out for about a 50-point gain. So that was the best trade. That was really my only winning trade. Everything else was pretty much break even, and then I had one loss. So over traded. Probably shouldn't be flipping trades like that so frequently, especially like going from a bullish trade here to a bearish trade here. But looking at this, this is a pretty bearish price action with that long upper wick and that point of control so high up. This was kind of a neutral, like a doji. I felt kind of bullish about that, but then once we started to break down, I figured that we would hit this level down here, which we did. Like I said, I just got stopped out a little prematurely. And the reason why I was doing that is because I already had a loss on the day, and I was trying to mitigate a losing day. So once the price was moving in my direction, set stop to break even to de-risk. Usually I wait until it hits my first take profit to move my stop into break even, but like I said, I was trying to avoid taking a big loss, so did a little prematurely, and it bit me on this one. I would have had a full-sized winner there, which would have been pretty nice. Nonetheless, had a nice win here. This was great. So that was good. And then I just took a stab with two contracts here. Same idea as my trade right here. The break, the hold, and then I want to see continuation back up into like 200. But we did not get that there either. And that will be it for me. I got away today with a $188 win. We are less than 200 away from the 2600 goal. So come back tomorrow, see if I can end the week strong. Yeah, got some things to clean up, that's for sure, but wasn't terrible. More trades were right than they were wrong. Well, I guess it's about even. But nonetheless, that's where we're at. All right, I appreciate you being here. See you tomorrow. Peace.